Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0780, indicates a shift error in the Honda Accord models manufactured between 2012 and 2017. This code is primarily concerned with the continuously variable transmission (CVT) system, which plays a vital role in ensuring smooth gear transitions. When this code is stored, it often relates to other error codes such as P1898 or P1899. Specifically, these secondary codes indicate issues with the CVT drive pulley pressure control valve, which can either be stuck in the on or off position. The root cause often involves malfunctioning components in the transmission system, necessitating a detailed diagnostic approach. As vehicle owners or technicians, it's critical to address this issue promptly to avoid further transmission damage and ensure optimal vehicle performance. DTC P0780 indicates a malfunction within the continuously variable transmission (CVT) system, which is designed to provide a seamless transition between gears. The primary components involved include the drive pulley pressure control valve and the driven pulley pressure control valve, both crucial for regulating fluid pressure in the transmission. These valves control the engagement and disengagement of the pulley system, thus directly affecting gear shifts. If either of these valves is stuck in a particular position, being either stuck on or off, it results in the DTC being triggered. The issue can manifest in various ways throughout the transmission assembly, which typically resides beneath the vehicle. This makes it imperative for technicians to ensure visual and functional checks on this transmission system. There are several possible causes for the DTC P0780. One significant issue is the failure of the CVT drive pulley pressure control valve, which might be stuck either in the on or off position. This can severely limit the functionality of the transmission system. Additionally, wiring issues can lead to communication failures between components, which can also trigger this DTC. A faulty transmission control unit, TCU, might not process signals effectively, leading to erroneous DTC settings. It is essential to cross-reference with related codes, specifically P1898 and P1899, to gain a deeper understanding of potential malfunctions. Identifying these issues early can save time and costs associated with extensive repairs. When DTC P0780 is present, several symptoms might become evident during vehicle operation. The most notable symptom is the illumination of the malfunction indicator light, MIL, which signals that the engine's management system has detected an issue. Additionally, the automatic transmission AT gear position indicator may blink, which is a direct visual warning of transmission malfunction. Drivers might also experience shifting delays, where the transition between gears is not smooth as expected, negatively impacting driving experience. These symptoms should not be ignored, as they can lead to more severe transmission problems if left unresolved. Paying attention to these signs allows for timely diagnostics, which can prevent extensive repairs or replacements. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0780 involves checking for existing DTC codes using an onboard diagnostic scanner. This is a critical part of the process, as it helps confirm whether there are any additional or related codes, such as P1898 or P1899, stored in the vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM. Knowing these codes can assist in pinpointing the issue more efficiently. The mechanic should document all existing codes, since they provide crucial information regarding the current state of the vehicle's transmission system. Identifying additional DTCs can also give insights into whether the issue is isolated or part of a broader malfunction. Therefore, a comprehensive scan of the vehicle is paramount for accurate diagnostics. The second step of troubleshooting for DTC P0780 involves a detailed inspection of the wiring and connectors associated with the CVT system. It is essential to verify that there are no shorts, breaks, or damaged wiring that could interfere with normal operation. Worn or frayed wires can lead to intermittent connection issues, which may be responsible for triggering error codes. Solid connections at each connector point are also crucial, as poor connections can lead to miscommunications between the components. This ensures that all signals are being transmitted correctly to and from the transmission control unit. Proper inspection methods, including a visual check and possibly using a multimeter, are recommended to assess the integrity of the wiring system. Next, the technician should carry out tests on the CVT valves, specifically the drive and driven pulley pressure control valves. It is essential to verify that both valves are functioning correctly and are not sticking, as issues in these components can directly lead to the shift error indicated by DTC P0780. This involves checking the valve's response to electrical signals and their mechanical movement to ensure they open and close as expected. Utilizing a diagnostic tool capable of monitoring valve operation can also provide insights into their functionality. Any sticking or malfunctioning valves must be addressed promptly to restore proper transmission function. Assessing these components helps in identifying any root causes for the ongoing issues currently affecting the vehicle. After making the necessary repairs for DTC P0780, the technician should proceed with the final repair verification process. This begins with clearing the DTC codes stored in the vehicle's system, which resets the monitoring. Following this, a test drive of the vehicle is essential to ensure that it operates correctly under varying driving conditions. The technician should monitor the dashboard for any warning lights, specifically checking for the MIL and AT gear position indicator. If these do not illuminate during the test drive, it generally indicates that the repair was successful. A successful final verification process gives both the technician and the vehicle owner peace of mind regarding the reliability of the transmission system after addressing the issue. In conclusion, DTC P0780 indicates a significant shift error within the Honda Accord's CVT system, which affects vehicle performance. Identifying the root causes requires a thorough check of associated components, including wiring, connectors, and the essential CVT valves. Symptoms such as the illuminated MIL and blinking AT gear position indicator must not be ignored, as they provide necessary prompts for timely diagnostics and repairs. After servicing, it is crucial to perform final checks to ensure no errors remain in the system. Recognizing that prompt attention to such issues can prevent further complications emphasizes the importance of thorough and accurate diagnostics. Maintaining awareness of these diagnostic procedures will ensure the longevity and efficient operation of the vehicle's transmission system. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.